Hey guys, and what is up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Anabel, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all of social media, and right now we are at Hobby Lobby. I'm excited. We're gonna check it out and see what we can find, so I'll bring you along for the ride. Yay! Okay, first section I'm stopping at is like stocking stuffers for my niece and nephew. I am gonna get them these, some stickers, and some bows for my niece. So cute. So first stop. This is pretty cool if you're looking for like a Stony Clover dupe. Like $9.99. Such a good deal. And super cute. And they have a ton of options. I always have to check out the planner aisle, obviously. I always like looking at these stickers. Like these right here are so cute. And they're 40% off. This looks to be like faith content, so well, faith stickers, but I like it. I think I'm gonna take that. Okay, cute. I have not seen these. I'm gonna take these. These are so cute. I'm gonna kind of like peek through this one and see if I like this one the most, because that one's cute too. This one's adorable. I'm gonna look through both of these. And have y'all seen these planners? 40% off. There's obviously good old Happy Planner, which I think I'm moving away from a little bit because my main planner is now an Erin Condren planner, but this is cute. I'm gonna check this out. Well, I left Hobby Lobby and really didn't buy much. I ended up leaving the sticker books that I had and just left with the stuff for my niece and nephew. And now I'm at the Domain at the Erin Condren store. So I'm gonna go to the Erin Condren store. I'm excited because I want a new cover for my planner. The cover that I have on my planner right now is a Christmas cover, and I bought that purposely because of the season that I was gonna be using it in. So I figured I could go in, look at the covers, take a look at other stuff too, and hopefully find something that I like for after Christmas. So I'm excited. I got really good parking, which makes me even more excited, but I can't wait to take a look at the Erin Condren store and take y'all with me. This is so embarrassing. Yay, I'm excited. Cute. Softball notebooks. Cute. Oh, that's interesting. I've been wanting one of these, but I'm not sure which one I want. Something like this. That's like a school one. Shopping list. That's cute. Sticky pockets. They all have like title covers on there. Oh, this would be good. Yeah, I want this. Ugh, the Hello Kitty collection is so cute. I love this one. I'm gonna see if they have it in the regular size. Okay, I kind of really want this one. This is Valentine's Day related, so I think that would be really cute for Valentine's Day. But then I also really like this one. So I'm thinking about getting both. This is what's really cool about coming to the Erin Condren store, is that you can actually see them in person. So that makes it even more exciting. I kind of really like this too, but this is like an older design. So I'm leaning towards this and this. Maybe I'll just get this one for Valentine's Day. The other one that I really liked was this Hello Kitty one. Isn't that so cute? Ugh, but I don't know if I can keep Hello Kitty on my planner for like even an entire month. So that's cute too. Oh darn. Okay, I think I'm gonna get this one and this one. I'm gonna stick to it. And I found some items on sale, these two things. So I'm excited. Okay, so I came to Panera Bread because I'm hungry, and broccoli and cheddar soup it is with a mango tea. I'm so excited. And Marielle should be coming soon, so yay. It's Marielle.
I'm in her face.
Last stop of the day. Matthew's excited, but last stop of the day. And then we get to go home. I'm excited. Okay, these are so cute. I kind of really like this one, but I don't need it. I don't need it. How much is it? It's only $10. Shut up, that is so cute. Okay. First, and they're only $1.48. So like Natasha, but I already sent her this one. It's so funny. Have little pajamas. It's like everything Buc-ee's, but I wish they had like Christmas cards. Look at these jammies. No. There's a coloring book. Stop.
You know what, just color windows and send it to everybody.
Send one to everybody. Well, you guys, we made it home safely, but I am exhausted. It is already midnight, so I'm gonna go ahead and go to sleep, and I'm gonna post this tomorrow. So sorry that you're seeing this late, but I love you all. Thank you all so much for watching my vlogs, and I will talk to y'all tomorrow. Like, y'all are literally gonna get 2 vlogs in one day. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my vlogs. If you're enjoying this, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all later. Bye.